Hello first graders, welcome to a new topic. Today is topic 4, addition and subtraction facts to 12. Before we start our topic and first lesson for the topic, let's just see that we'll be learning different ways to add and subtract. We'll be using two different words, near double and one less than. And as you see in this part, you usually have revision for what we covered in a previous topic and 10 frames, missing part, the part you know. And inside here you always have a game that you can have fun and play with your siblings or friends or your parents. Alright, so this is topic 4. So please get your paper ready. Topic 4, lesson 1. Adding with 0, 1 or 2. In this lesson you'll learn how to add and count starting from the number that you had. Let me read first this example, then we'll do some practice together. There are 3 carrots in the pot. Add one more. So this is the pot and you see 3 that there's 3 carrots inside. They said add one more. 1 more than 3 is 4. In the beginning of the year when I ask you to add, you used to count, right? If I have here, for example, I said there's 4 stamps or 4 crayons, and then I will say add 2 more. Add means plus 2 more stamps, right? So we used to do 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 2 equals. So we used to draw or have crayons or counters. 4 plus 2, that's mean 2 more, and we add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Today, for this topic, we will learn how to continue. Writing after 4, you add right away. So if I say 4 plus 2, that's mean 2 more than 4. 2 more than 4 means after 4, you start right away. I'm not going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, then I add 2. No, I say 4. I need to add more means 5, 6. So 4 plus 2 is 6. Let's read the examples we have here. All right. There are 3 carrots in the pot. Add one more. So 3 plus 1. So 1 more than 3 is 4. Let's see the next example. There are 6 tomatoes in the pot. So there are 6. 2 more than 6 is, so you're counting after the 6, 2 more. So after 6, 7, 8. So 6 plus 2 equals 8. There are 5 peppers in the pot. There are 5 here. Add 0 more, means nothing. As you see in a tray, with the rabbit, nothing in a tray. So 0 more than 5 is 5 because you add nothing. So 5 plus 0 is 5 or equals 5. Okay, now we have this way of adding. It's the same way, we call it vertical. Vertical when their numbers are on top of each other. So I have 3, the first example here, plus 1, my answer remained the same, 4. So if I put them vertical or horizontal next to each other or on top of each other, your answer or your sum will remain the same. 6 plus 2, like this example, there are 6 tomatoes in a pot, 2 more than 6, 2 extra than 6, 8. And then if I add 0, like this example, you get 5 peppers in a pot, and then as you see, nothing on a tray, so I'm adding 0, so 5 plus 0 equals 5. So if you put your equation this way or you put it this way, your answer will remain the same as you see. Okay. So let's start our first page, page 117. All right. Let's say I have inside here 4 counters. I have my counters here. And then I'm gonna put 4. So 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And then I'm gonna add 2 more than 4. 2 more. I'm gonna put them out there. So how to write this equation? 4 plus 2 equals, remember, before when we start we used to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we start from here. How many I have inside? 4. After 4, 5, 6. So 4 plus 2 equals 6. Alright, so this was your first example because you adding with either 0, 1 or 2. So we had an example for 2. Let's see if you add 1. Okay, let's say I have 5 or 6. Let me put 6. Yeah, it fit. 6 counters in the pot or in the container. So I'm going to write 6 and one more. One more. So that's one more than 6. If you know your number, you know one more than 6 is very good, 7. So 6, 7. So 6 plus 1 equals 7. All right. Let's say if I have 3 counters in my pot or my containers, and I'm gonna add nothing. I don't have anything to add. I'm gonna only add 0. So what do I have here? 3. And then plus 0. I know that anything plus 0 equal the same number. So 3 plus 0 will be 3. Very good. Let's have one more. I'm gonna put 4 counters or 4 counters in my pot or my container, and one more. So I need to write this first. 4 and plus 1. So 1 more than 4. When I count 1 more than 4, after 4 comes number 5. Very good. Let's turn the page. Okay, let's read the example one more time. There are 3 carrots in the pot. Add 1 more. So 3 plus 1, that's 1. 1 more than 3. 4. There are 6 tomatoes in a pot. As you see, number 6. Add 2 more. That means 2 more than 6. You're counting 2 numbers after 6. So 8. Awesome. And then the third example, there are 5 peppers in your pot. Add 0 more. So I know, as you see the tray, nothing on a tray. So 0 more than 5 is 5. So anything plus 0, it will be the same number. All right, any number plus 0, you're going to have the same number. Or add 1, 2, or 0 to find the sum. Write the addition facts. So you're gonna see what's in your picture, and then you're gonna write your equation or your question. So 4, as it says here, I see number 4 on the pot, so I'm gonna write 4 plus 1. That means 1 more than 4 is awesome, 5. Okay, second one is 8. As you see, 8 on a pot, so I'm gonna write 8. And how many on my tray? 2. So 2 more than 8. When you count, if you count 2 more after 8, very good, 10. And then I have 6. I'm putting number 6, and I see nothing, which is 0. So 6 plus 0, I know that any number plus 0 will give me the same number, so 6. Very good. All right, do you understand why does it help to think about 2 more when you need to add 2? Okay, why does it help to think about 2 more when you need to add 2? All right, because when I think of 2 more, I know that I'm adding 2 more. That means there will be 2 more extra than the number I have. For example, like here, 8 plus 2, or 2 more than 8. So I know that I'm adding. I know that I need to look for a number that it's 2 more than 8. So we're gonna say that thinking about two more. All right, let me see. Thinking of two more is the same as, exactly, is the same as adding or subtracting. Very good. As adding two more. So when I say 2 more than 8, I know that I'm adding 2. So to the 8, so that's mean 8 plus 2. All right, let's do the independent practice. Page 119, write the sum. So that's mean write the answer here, your sum, the total when you add 2 together. 8 plus 1, that's mean 1 more than 8. 1 more than 8, I count 1 more than 8, what comes after 8? 9. Very good. Number 5, 7 plus 0. I know the rules. Any number plus 0 will remain the same number. Away 7. So 7 plus 0 is 7. Number 6, 5 plus 0. Very good. Same number, 5. 4 plus 2 means 2 more than 4. 2 extra. I'm adding 2 to the 4. Very good. Awesome. 6. Now we learn this way. Vertical, it's when the number on the top of the other, and it's the same. You add and you put your answer under this line. So 7 plus 2. 7, you read the first top number first, then you read your symbol here. Symbol here is plus. So 7 plus 2. 2 more than 7 is very good. 9. 4 plus 0. I know any number plus 0 will remain the same number, so 4. Very good. And then 5 plus 1, or 1 more than 5, or what number comes after 5? What number comes? So add 1, 6. 9 plus 2, that means 2 numbers after 9. So after 9, add 2 more. So after 9, 10, 11. So 9 plus 2 is 11. Very good. All right. Let's see algebra. Circle true or false. So you have 2 answer, and you need to see if it's true or false. 8 plus 0 equals 0 plus 8. So the sum for 8 plus 0 equals same like 0 plus 8. Is it true or false? When you have question like that, usually you put the answer and you see if it's right or wrong. So I know 8 plus 0, again, 8 plus 0, 0 with any number will remain the same number. So 8 plus 0 will give me 8. And over here, 0 plus 8, still the same. I put them in a different order, but remember we covered this before. Putting your answers in a different order, it's still the same, give you the same answer when we add. So 0 plus 8. Again, I know the rules. 0 with any number plus any number, I will have the same number, so 8. So does 8 plus 0 equals 0 plus 8? Yes, true. Very good. Let's turn the page and do question number 13. Anne filled 7 bowls with soup. Jason filled 1 more bowl. How many bowls have half soup? Draw a picture to solve. So remember, Anna filled 7 bowls with soup. So I'm gonna draw 7 bowls because they asked me. Like that. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right? Okay, so this is what Anna did. She filled 7 bowls with soup. Jason filled 1 more. Jason add 1 more. So over here, to write my equation, 7 plus 1 more, right? How many total? 1 more than 7? Or 1 plus 7? Very good, 8. So over here, how many did Jason filled? How many balls? He filled 8 balls. Very good. Tim is 5 years old. Maria is 2 years older than Tim. Which number sentence help you find Maria's age? So if I put it in a different way, I will say, for example, I have 5 counters. I have 5 counters, right? And my friend has 2 more than what I have. My friend has 2 more than what I have. I have 5, so she has 2 more. So how many total? 5, 6, 7. Very good. So this is the same. So what did we do? 5 plus 2. So we need to look for this over here. 5 plus 2 to give you 7. So is it choice A, 2 plus 7 equals 9? Or B, 5 take away 2 equals 3? Or C, 5 plus 1, which means 1 more than 5 equals 6? Or D, 5 plus 2, which is 2 more than 5, as I see here. So 5 plus 2 means 2 more than 5 equals 7. So is it choice A, B, C, or D? Very good. I hear you choose D. Awesome. All right. Journal. Draw a picture to solve. Write how many carrots each child has. All right. Max has 1 more carrot than Gina. So Max have 1 more than Gina. So I need to know how many Gina has, right? And Gina has 2 more carrots than Sal. So now Gina has 2 more than Sal. And Max has 1 more than Gina. I need to know how many Sal has. Sal has 4 carrots. Okay, so now I will put Sal has 4 carrots. So we can start drawing. So we're gonna write here Sal, and I'm gonna draw 4 carrots. Okay, so this is what Sal has, 4 carrots. Very good. Now, Max has 1 more carrot than Gina. So I need to know how many Gina has. All right. Gina has 2 more carrots than Sal. Remember, Sal has more. So when Gina has 2 more extra, I'm adding 2 to the 4. So Gina will have, very good, 6. So let's draw Gina here. All right, Gina. And Gina has 2 more than Sal. So Gina will have, very good, 6. So let's draw 6 carrots. So this is what Sal has, and they tell me Gina has 2 more, so 2 more than 4, very good, equals 6. So I'm gonna write Gina now has 6. All right, Max has 1 more carrot than Gina. So now I know Gina, I know she has 6 carrots, so 1 more than 6, that's what Max has. Max has 1 more than 6, so 1 more than 6 is 7, very good. So now I know Max has 7 carrots, Gina has 6, and Sal has 4. Okay, and then you're gonna write here Max, and then you're gonna draw 7 carrots that Max has. All right, so remember today we learn adding 0, 1, or 2 and we use different ways. We have vertical, we have horizontal, and we know the answer is the same. We learned that any number plus 0, we're gonna have the same number. And then we learned that when we say one more, that's mean plus 1, or 2 more means plus 2. All right, that's it for today, boys and girls. Thank you.